Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Kid Danger Dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully we can fight alongside Captain Man and also Kid Danger and kick some villain butt, if you know what I mean, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 10 blue wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your blue wool just like that, guys. Now you want to jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3 blue wool, and then 1 red wool on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down. Son of a turkey chicken. Wow, that hurt. Now you want to place 3 blue wool on this side, 2 blue wool in the middle, guys, and then 1 red wool on the edge. And now you can just go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you want to pull out your flint and steel and boom, light this baby up, and wow, that looks amazing. That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But let's go ahead and head into the Kid Danger Dimension. And oh my god, whoa, is that his house? Oh my god, that is amazing. That is so amazing. And that must be his pool. I really love pools, guys, especially when they have diving birds. Like, I just absolutely love them. You know what? We got to do a cannonball into this pool. So let's go ahead and do this. Big jump, boom. Wow, he's probably going to be upset at me because I might have just broke his pool. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let my pig dive off of this now, guys. And if I didn't break his pool, my pig's definitely going to do it. So come on, pig. Boom. Wow, I think he could be a professional diver, to be honest, guys. He could probably win like a gold medal or something for that kind of a dive. Like, he's the first ever diving pig. That would then itself just amazing. Now he just wants to relax and get a tan. I don't really blame you. Let's go ahead and head on inside the house and see what's going on. Where's Kid Danger? I don't see Kid Danger anywhere. Guys, oh my god. Whoa, I see some hands. Oh my god, is those Kid Danger's hands? Oh my god, I'm not for sure, guys. I'm going to open it up. Boom. Oh my god, no, it's a zombie. Boom, take that to the face, zombie. Oh my god, back off me, bro. Boom. What did you do at Kid Danger? I guess we're never going to find out from him because he's gone. But whoa, this must be a closet. And oh my god, they got a lot of buckets in the closet. I don't even know why, guys. But let's go ahead and see what's in this chest. Nothing in that chest, and nothing in that chest, guys. They could actually convert that closet to a bathroom. Like, they just put a toilet right there or something, guys. I'm gonna put my TNT in there for safekeeping because, you know, you gotta keep your TNT safe. But whoa, where did he get this big flat screen TV, guys? Like, everybody got flat screen TVs but me. I'm kind of feeling left out now. Like, he probably just sits here every day and watches Smooth Marky. That's the only real use for a TV, guys. But whoa, this must be his kitchen. He must just watch this pig out of his window like every day, guys. Like, just look at that pig. What is he doing? Oh my god, he's looking at me. Oh my god, guys. There for a minute, it was like he was looking into my soul or something, guys. But why does he have a bed in his kitchen? That makes no sense. At all. Maybe the pig sleeps in that bed, but that's one scary pig. I think that pig's possessed or something, guys. But whoa, what's up with all this zombie meat up here, guys? And oh my god, the window's broke. Oh my god, did he throw a zombie out the window? Or did he climb out of the window? Oh my god, right there he is. That obviously answers the question. Wow, I thought you was amazing before this. But after knowing that you threw a zombie out of the window, like, you're 10 times more amazing to me. But wow, look at his room. There's nothing in that chest. Let's go and check this chest. Nothing in there. This must be his bed. This must be where he goes to sleep every single night, and like Captain Man watches him eat brown soup. He claimed it was chili, but it was really brown soup. And whoa, this must be where you get all your knowledge from to, you know, go out on your missions and kick some villains' butts. I'm gonna have to read some of those books later. Definitely gonna have to read some of those books. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow this place out with some TNT because, you know, it has been tainted by zombies. And this is kind of, you know, Kid Danger's secret place anyways. He probably don't want his mom and dad to find out about this place. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. So let's just go ahead and put the TNT all through the upstairs, guys. Let's go ahead and bring it on down. Let's go ahead and bring it on out. We got to wrap it around so we can actually be outside the house, because I don't want to be on the inside of the house when this stuff goes off. Eat an enchanted golden apple, because we can still take some damage even though we're on the outside. And run, run, run. Oh my god, it's going to blow. It's going to blow. Boom. Whoa. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh, it took that pig out. Did you guys see that? It actually took that pig out. But whoa, the only thing that's still standing a little bit is the roof, guys. But that is pretty cool how that enchanted book's just like floating in midair, guys. That's actually pretty cool. Obviously, Kid Danger must have like took the Kid Mobile and like went back to his house or something, guys. Or else he just got blown up, guys. I'm not really for sure what exactly happened to that guy. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, guys, scroll down, smash that red subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest and brightest Minecraft videos, guys. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.